Long before Husqvarna became a name on a racing jersey or a logo on a fuel tank, it was a powerhouse from Sweden with more than 300 years of history. We're talking firearms, sewing machines, and eventually some of the most soulful motorcycles ever to touch the ground. Husky was never about following trends. They always occupied a unique space where military-grade toughness met clean Nordic design. They didn't just build machines, they built identity. And among centuries of history, there is one name that still makes collectors' hearts race. Enter 1982. The motocross world was drowning in plastic and neon, but Husqvarna did something different. They released the CR500 Silver Streak, a masterpiece of polished aluminum and raw, uncompromising power. That silver tank wasn't decoration. It was a badge of honor. A 500 cubic centimeters monster that demanded respect. It stood for innovation and craftsmanship long before minimalism became a marketing buzzword. For decades, this bike became the ghost in the machine for Husqvarna loyalists, the ultimate benchmark of what a pure, adrenaline-fueled dirt bike should be. For years, rumors swirled. Would they ever bring the legend back? Could they capture the magic of 1982 in the modern world? Well, stop guessing. The streak is back, and sharper than ever. This is the 2026 Husqvarna Silver Streak 701. This isn't just a retro-styled tribute, it's a high-performance weapon. At its heart lies the legendary 693 cubic centimeters LC4 single-cylinder engine. We're talking 74 horsepower of soul-shaking force. In an era of smooth, well-mannered parallel twins, this bike is unapologetically wild. Throttle response is razor-sharp, torque hits instantly, and the feeling? Pure aggression. The design is a masterclass in mechanical honesty. The iconic silver finish dominates, paired with restrained but bold red accents that shout racing heritage. No excess plastic. No bloated bodywork. Just a lean, athletic silhouette with a sculpted tank and an exposed trellis frame. And don't let the good looks fool you. With long-travel WP suspension, gold anodized forks, and tough spoked wheels, this machine means business off-road. It's a rally-inspired scrambler that feels just as at home tearing through dirt as it does stealing attention at a cafe. The Silver Streak 701 is the missing link, past prestige meeting future performance. This isn't just a motorcycle. It's a reminder that Husqvarna still knows how to move your soul.